Well, Thanksgiving Day, 3:50 p.m. I think I sent it a little too hard. Went into full send. Dun dun dun. What cab? We don't need no thinking cab. Yep, she's cut off, boys. She is cut off. Got the rockers out, both sides. Not the way I wanted to cut it off, but it was giving me some trouble. And with this little tiny garage, kind of like living in a tiny house, I couldn't get up underneath it like I wanted to. But she's off. No. There it is. Yeah, this way, if we ever should have to put a cab on it, it'll be fairly easy. Just get a measurement there, cut her off around the floor pan, she be off. I am a trained professional. Do not try this at home. Yes, I have done this before. I used to work at a place that we cut cars in half and resold them. So I do have a little bit of knowledge on this. Well, that's the update for Thanksgiving Day, boys. She's a lot lighter now. A lot lighter. Now we start working on the steering column, start working on that radiator support, and we can most certainly get that cage and start putting a cage in her. We is on our way. I'm tired. I'm wore out. And I'm still fucking full from Thanksgiving dinner at lunch. It's been a good day. Been a damn good day. Alright. Well, that's where we're at today, Thanksgiving Day. Later, my outlaws.